So we have the built-up installed and we're ready to install the solid wood edging on the front edge. So there's two ways essentially that you can have a solid wood edge on laminate countertops. One of them is to install the wood first and then laminate over the front edge and trim it back, exposing part of the wood. And the other way would be to laminate it first, trim the laminate, and then install the wood edge. Personally, I much prefer putting the wood edge on first, and then I can sand, make sure it's flush, perfectly flush, and then I can laminate over the top of it, and then we can do a nice decorative edge on the front edge. Probably in this case we'll do a chamfer. So I'm ready to install the wood edge. I've cut my first two pieces. We've got a miter front corner here. This is going to be the corner that's exposed. So just checking my miter. Looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and then put some glue on here. And we're going to use brad nails to attach this. Now, if I was concerned, this is a shop application, so it's okay for me to have a nail that's covered with putty. But if I had a situation where it was unacceptable to have a nail head showing, then I would probably use pocket holes to attach that front edge, and we would fill the pocket hole mortises, and then you would have a hidden connection. So right now, you can see that I've got my miter lined up. I've got this board is cut to just slightly more than 1.5 inches in width, so it's going to be flush to the bottom edge because I've lined it up with the bench, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some nails into it. I do want to put a chamfer on the front edge, so I'm going to make sure and put that nail well below where that chamfer is going to end up. So we've got that attached. The wood is slightly proud, and that's fine. I'm going to end up milling that down. There's a couple of options there. I could probably just, since it's not very much, I'll just sand it off with the sander. So again, just checking my miter right there. Go ahead and put some glue on it. And I'm also going to glue the miter. That should be enough for both pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and put a nail down here just to kind of close up that miter. All right, I need one more piece now to finish off this edging. And where did I put my tape measure? Are you even off?
No.
Oh, jeez. Okay. We got 42 1/4. That's for the nurses?
Yeah, for the healthcare providers. Yeah, because John said he was going to be looking out at Encinitas at 12:15, and that's about 15 minutes ago, and so he had to loop around Oceanside, and then he was heading to Escondido, south of us, and that sounds like where the sound came from.
What I'm going to do is sort of clamp that countertop to the bench down here to hold it flat, because it's something on the countertop right there. Okay. Well, this is the other glue. Okay. All right, so we have our wood edge installed, and we got to do a little bit of detailing work, and then we'll be ready to do the laminating.